At Tugatai Cargo Logistics, it's more than shipping. It's about people who care. Every package that arrives in our care is handled by experts, from our warehouse crew to our customer service team. We take pride in every step: precise packing, secure handling, and smooth customs clearance.
We make sure every shipment leaves our doors safely.
We treat each customer cargo like it's our own.
What makes Tugatai special? Teamwork and trust.
Our customer-centric approach means you're never just a tracking number. You're part of our Tugatai family. From Qatar to Kenya, China, and beyond, our team is always working behind the scenes to deliver on time, every time. Tugatai Cargo Logistics, handled with care, delivered with trust. Ship with us today.